I'm a doctor. This is a medical quiz. There's 6 questions. Best of luck.
Question 1. In the history of medicine, consumption was the old name for which disease? Tuberculosis. Question 2. In paediatrics, a high fever and red rash covering the whole body is typical of what childhood infection? Measles. Question 3. Which enzyme breaks down carbohydrates in saliva? Amylase. Question 4. In the history of medicine, which physicist discovered X-rays, winning the Nobel Prize? Wilhelm Röntgen. Question 5. In orthopedics, what is the eponymous name for distal radial fracture with dorsal angulation? Colles fracture. And finally, question 6. A blood clot that travels from somewhere else in the body to the lungs, typically after things like surgery, is called what? Pulmonary embolism.